Determine whether each equation is true or false. Okay, so this is true because 0 to the power of 6 is 1, and 1 to the power of 5 is also 1, so this is true. Okay, 7 to the power of 3 is 7 times 7 is 49, 49 times 3 is not 7, so this is false. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 4 squared is also 16, because 4 times 4 is 16, so this is also true. Confuse this. I remembered something about 0 and exponents. Okay, 0 to the power of 6 is 0. It's not 1. So this is not true. This is false. Okay. If it was 6 to the power of 0, then it was 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I will solve this first as whole number multiplication, then I will shift the decimal point in the result. So 503 times 89. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 8 is 63, plus 2 is 65. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 6 is 51. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 2 is 66. Now I add 7, 5 plus 4 is 9, 1 plus 6 is 7, 5 plus 6 is 11. Now I have one digit to the right of the decimal point, so I need to shift the decimal point one place to the left. So the answer is 1179.7. Let's see if it makes sense. Let's round this to 60 and this to 90. So 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, let's solve this again. Let's see where I have a mistake here, obviously. Because this multiplication should be around 5,400 and it's not even close. So obviously I made a mistake here in the multiplication. So let's do it again. So 583 times 89, 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 8 is 72. 72. Okay, 72 times 72, not 60. 72. 72 plus 2. 72 plus 2 is 74. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 7 is 50. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So 2 here. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 2 is 66. And 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Oh. Eight times 8 is 64 plus 2 is 60. 6, so the 6 here. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 6 is 46. Let's see. Now we do addition. 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, and then I shift the decimal point. So 51,887. Shift the decimal point one place to the left because in the original multiplication I have one digit to the right of the decimal point. So the answer is 5,188.7, which is much closer to this. Okay, so I had a couple of mistakes here. Yeah. Obviously, I have a problem with multiplication of multi-digits. Less place value makes mistakes all the time. So I guess this is the result. 5,188.7 thousand. 5188. Okay. Himani gave birth to twins and named them Adrian and Child. When they were first born, Adrian massed 2.87 kilograms. 3.87 kilograms and was 54.5 centimeters tall. Okay. 50.5 centimeters tall. This is heavy. And chain last 4.54 kilograms. And was 51 centimeters tall. How much did the baby mass in total? Okay, so their height is not relevant to the question. I need to have this and this. Okay, so 2.87 plus 4.54. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, 3 to the power of 3 is 3 times 3 which is 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 goes into 27, 3 times, and we have 3 left, 24, 3 8. Times divided by 2. Okay, so I need to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 7 times multiplied by 1/2, because 2 is like 2 over 1, so the reciprocal is 1/2, so 7 over 20. Okay, so 5 minus 3 plus 2. Okay, so when we are talking about addition and subtraction, we do it from left to right. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 1. Okay, 4 times 2 divided by 1. Okay, first I turn the mixed number into improper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 over 3 divided by 1. Then I multiply 14 over 3. in the reciprocal, which is 2 over 1. Okay, so this is 28 over 3. Okay, 3 goes into 28 9 times. Times 3 times 9 is 27, so 9 and 1/3. Divided by 11 over is with 3 multiplied by the reciprocal. 3. Okay. This can be simplified. 3 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is 4 over 11. Okay. So I write down a mistake. 3 divided by 11 over 12. 3 divided by 11 over 12 is like 3 over 1 times 12 over 11. Okay, so I cannot simplify this way, only the other one. Okay. Okay. So the correct answer is 3 times 12 is 36 over 11. 11 goes into 36 3 times. 11 times 3 is 33. I have 3 left. 3. A turtle can walk 1/12 of a kilometer in an hour. The turtle is 1/5 of a kilometer away from a pond. At this speed, how long will it take the turtle to reach the pond? So the total distance is 1/5. That's let's say, let's say the turtle can walk, just to get my head around this. Let's say he can walk, let's say he is 5 kilometers away from the pond. It was 5 kilometers away from the pond. And let's say he can walk 1 kilometer in an hour. Let's say he can walk 2.5 kilometers. So 5 divided, it will take him 2 hours. So 5 divided by, I need to divide 1/5. 1/5 divided by 1/12, which is the same thing as 1/5 multiplied by 12 over 1, which is 12 divided by 5, which is 1 2/5. Again, mistakes. 12 over 5 is 2. 5 goes into 12 2 times, so it's 2 hours and 2/5. Okay. 48.389 divided by 0.3. Okay. I need to shift the decimal point in the divisor 2 places to the right. So the divisor will be a whole number. So I do the same thing in the dividend. So I will rewrite it as, so the decimal point will be here and here. So this becomes 4,838.9 divided by 83. 83 goes into 483. How many times? 5. 5 times 80 is 5 times 80 is 400, and 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 1 is 41. Subtract. Okay, this becomes 7. This becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. Bring down 48. 83 goes into 8 times 8, 640 and 640 plus 24, 664, 8 times 8 times 3 is 24. 4 times 8 is 64 plus 2 is 66. Subtract 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down the 9. It's 3 times 83 is exactly 240, right? 3 times 80 is 240, and 3 times 9 is 9, so this is 249. There's nothing wrong there. So the answer is 583. Oh. Okay. 48.389 divided by 0.83. Okay. So this becomes 83. For this to become 83, I shifted the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, so here I also shift the decimal point 2 places to the right. So this is 400,008,388.9 divided by 83. Okay, 4,838. And I'm doing the same step over and over again. I forgot to put the decimal point here. It's not 583, it is 58.3. And I would have caught this mistake if I tested the result. Okay, I needed to do the multiplication to see if I'm getting near to the dividend. Okay, so it's 58.3. Forgot the decimal. 58.3. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So first the parentheses is 8 squared minus 4 squared 64 minus 16. Okay. 64 minus 10 is 54. 54 minus 6 is 48. Okay, so I have 4 mistakes. I've never had this much mistakes. So many mistakes in one test. I will take this test again in the next video.